Have you ever wondered how the economy of tomorrow will look like? What if we told you the future is already here, unfolding in the form of an artificial intelligence revolution? This transformative rise of AI is reshaping our economic landscape in ways we're only just beginning to understand. Our world is becoming a canvas for AI to paint its profound effects. You may have seen this in documentaries that study the deep impacts of AI on society. They unravel a future where AI is more than just a tool. It's an architect of change. Films like The Third Wave and AlphaGo take us on riveting journeys, exploring AI's potential to disrupt industries, streamline processes, and establish new economic paradigms. This is just a glimpse into the future. The real game changer? Data intelligence. It's set to be the engine of the future economy, driving hyper-personalization, efficient resource management, and predictive decision-making. But how does this transformation impact you directly? Well, let's delve into that. Artificial intelligence is making waves across various sectors, be it finance, healthcare, or transportation, and it's redefining the economic landscape in its wake. In the financial world, AI is at the heart of high-speed trading, fraud detection, and personalized banking services. Meanwhile, healthcare has seen a surge in AI-driven innovations, from precision medicine to telehealth services, improving patient outcomes and streamlining healthcare delivery. And let's not forget transportation, where companies like Tesla are using AI to revolutionize electric vehicles, paving the way for a sustainable future. But it's not just the big players. Numerous startups are harnessing the power of AI to build game-changing solutions. Whether it's a healthcare startup utilizing AI for precision diagnostics or a fintech startup leveraging AI for risk assessment, these innovations are pushing the economic boundaries. So, whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or seasoned professional, understanding AI's practical applications within your field of interest is becoming indispensable. So, what steps can you take to navigate this dynamic shift? With the rise of artificial intelligence, it's becoming increasingly important to prioritize continuous learning and upskilling. Areas like data science, programming, and AI ethics are no longer niche fields, but essential skills for those wanting to stay ahead of the curve. Imagine, if you will, a world where your understanding of algorithms and data patterns gives you an upper hand. A world where your knowledge of AI ethics helps shape fair and transparent systems. This world isn't a far-off fantasy, but a rapidly approaching reality. The job market of the future will not be kind to those who resist change. Instead, it will favor those with AI proficiency, those who've taken the time to understand the language of our new economic landscape. So get ahead of the game. Upskill, learn, and adapt. Investing in relevant skills today can secure your future in the AI-driven economy of tomorrow. Lastly, it's important to foster a mindset of innovation and adaptability. As we journey into this new era, it's crucial to view artificial intelligence as an enabler rather than a threat. The power of AI is immense. It has the potential to amplify our creativity, boost our productivity, and transform the way we interact with the world. Imagine the possibilities when we harness this technology to its fullest extent. We could solve complex problems, make informed decisions faster, and even predict future trends. It's like having a superpower right at our fingertips. But to truly tap into this potential, we must actively engage with these emerging technologies. We must learn, adapt, and evolve. We must be willing to step out of our comfort zones and dive headfirst into this brave new world of AI. By understanding AI's impact, upskilling, and fostering an innovative mindset, you can position yourself at the forefront of tomorrow's economy.